Hi, Tom here, and this one's for the Improvement Starts With I YouTube channel. It's been a while since I posted one of these videos, but I was having a beautiful walk this evening and I've learned an awful lot, I feel, in the last few months. And I wanted to share one of the key learnings with you. So a few weeks back, I had the very good fortune to have dinner with some top people from Toyota. And I was sitting actually beside one of their plant managers from one of their global plants. And it was a really amazing experience. I really connected with the guy. And one of the biggest learnings I want to share with you is how he managed to really transform an already amazing facility into something at a total other level, just through one simple change. I'm always very nervous of these silver bullet answers, but this one was so good I had to share it with you. So the particular plant that he was in charge of, 3,000 odd people, 4 years ago, their right first time off the end of the line was in the 70%, and it wasn't one of the best. And they were totally focused on line stops, as they have been, when I was in automotive even 30 years ago, that was the big focus, don't stop the line at any cost. And anyway, what he did, because he couldn't change their key performance indicators because they're all part of a big global organization, he just decided to change his focus and his priority. So he has 2 big meetings a day, 2 stand-ups, one with all his direct reports in the factory. And what would happen is they'd talk about a line stop and he wouldn't dig into it. But anything to do with quality, he wanted to dig right down into it, get to the Gemba, Genshi, Genbutsu and all of that good stuff. And over time, the team started to realize he doesn't really care that much about line stops, but wow, does he care about quality? And it really reorientated the entire organization to put quality as their focus. So what's happened 4 years later, they now have a 97% plus right first time off the end of the line. And all their other KPIs are through the roof. And they're one of the best plants in the world within Toyota. And he credited that simple behavioral change as the key change that he made to make that happen. So the lesson I took from that, so we often talk about leadership behaviors in lean. To me, this is the big one. It's not about, what do you select, your pretend behavior. It's your everyday decisions, your everyday behavior, and where you put your focus and attention and priority. That's what everyone else in the organization will do if you're the leader. So good lesson, huh? And he was just giving us an example recently where they had a problem on the line. Supplier brought the wrong bolts. They'd built 30 cars, and in the old days they'd have sailed them onto the end of the line and fixed them. Instead, stopped the line, fixed all the cars on the line. Everything that goes off the end of the line is perfect. And everybody in the organization knows that's the priority. So anyway, I hope I got this point across to you. I hope you find it useful. And keep improving, everybody.